Okay, remember we did this rocket launcher a while ago. This is the one Grandma brought home from school. But since then, yeah, for us to try, because she wanted her own. So in the meantime, we made another one that looks almost the same. If you can spot the difference, it looks almost the same. There's one little change. So we're going to see if this thing works. We know this one works because we've done it before. So let's try this one. So we'll pull out this pin first. And we've got to attach the hose here. Oh yeah, this is a hose right there. Okay, and when you pump on it, then air comes out of here. Okay, which one should we do first? The Sprite, the ginger Sprite? It's not really ginger Sprite, it's just water. So we'll make sure this thing is full. I think that is a factor. Should have this mostly full anyway. Okay, the lid. Okay, you guys ready? Then scooch over here so the camera can see. Okay, turn that upside down. Over that. Get it down. Get it in there. There it is. Okay. Now we've got the pin in there that'll hold that from pumping up there. Oh,
Hey, it's not leaking so much.
Oh, it will. Don't worry. I got to put my foot on it.
And then put your foot on the hose.
And that. Oh, complicated. All right, we'll pump it up. Oh, it's sealing really well right now, actually. Oh, it's starting to leak. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Set, pull it.
Oh, the horse. It's going to hit the horse.
Well, there's one.
You might not want to put it
We can leave that one there. Maybe the horse will eat it. And then we'll get in trouble with all the environmentalists. I shouldn't say that on
And our
YouTube.
neighbor. Yeah, the horses ran away.
The
Decided
horses
they
ran
didn't
away. It's
They did
safe.
not like
the
that.
horses are not going to eat the 2-liter bottle. Okay, someone, any of you want to come do?
Do you want to come do it?
You want to come do it?
Sure.
We've got friends here today from Idaho.
Go ahead.
All right.
Does anybody want to
load it? Pump it? You can pick whatever you want to do. Okay. All you got to do is turn that upside down on there. Maybe a little bit. Move it a little bit. And that's probably good. Just like that. And then tip it. Up, ready, set, go. All right. Get it down there. And then we'll put the pin in there.
Daddy, guess what? You want to come pull it?
Someone needs to pull it and someone needs to pump it. Who wants to do what?
Pull it. Let's have Aubrey do it.
Okay, well we've got more. Okay, now just pump it up and down, up and down, up and down.
Here.
And then you can watch the gauge down there and see how high we get. We're up to 20 psi.
And you
We'll
need
see how strong he is.
Daddy, you might
Oh, he's up to 40. Should we let it go?
Yeah, pull.
Let's do it. So, oh, I gotta put my foot on there. Okay, ready, set, pull. Pull it harder. Ah! Where'd it go? Well, that one's up in the tree. Oh, good. It made it out of the tree. Good. All right.
Then we'll
gotta do
watch
another
after
one.
and see if I actually followed any of them.
All right. Someone's got to load this one.
Daddy,
You want to try it? I don't think you've tried it before. Go for it.
Daddy,
I'm getting all wet.
Daddy. Can I pull it this time?
I think she's going to pull it this time. You can pull it next time. Okay. Put it on there. Put it on. Push it down. Put the pin in. Someone's got to put the pin in. Find the holes. I think it's close to me.
Okay, well, Graham.
There we go.
Here, I can do it. Okay.
Are you going to pump it again?
Daddy.
Uh-oh, this one's leaking good. Pump fast.
You got where you
Oh, pump fast.
Daddy, put my foot
We're losing water.
Oh, put my foot on it. I guess pull it right now. See what happens. Ah!
Oh,
Oh,
I got it.
I can't. Again? Alright, we have a few more. I'll get this one. We can refill this one.
I got one on my face.
Well, you can kind of see
A little bit.
it made a cloud inside of there because we pressurized the water and made it, and then released it. And so
Daddy.
there's some evaporation going on.
Daddy. What?
Temperature change, pressure change, all sorts of change.
Daddy.
Ooh, can you get it on there?
Oh, pin's not in yet, Olive.
Put it in there quick.
There we go. Now you got it.
Daddy, get away.
You're gonna pump it this time. Let's see.
Don't pull any further. I'm ready.
Yeah. Gotta go up and down, higher, higher, up, down. You're not as fat as me. I can push harder. Ugh.
She's not as
Alright,
tall
this
as
is
you
gonna go
either.
really good, cause we're up to 60 psi. Should we try for 80? I'm terrified. Ugh. Ugh. All right, that's close enough to 80. Pull it.
Oh,
Here we go.
there it is.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay, we got Diet Cola now. The big K.
Daddy. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, put it on there.
Daddy. The last
Oh.
one.
Oh no, we can do a couple more. I'll refill this one. Oh, we can refill that one too.
I think the 7-Up Sprite one sealed better than that Coke did.
I think so too.
Oh, yeah.
Ready.
In the first one, the ginger. Right? This one fell over.
Uh-oh, what?
This.
We'll try one filled up only this much. We'll try that too.
I'm gonna pull it.
Gonna pour it this time. Oh!
Daddy, get ready.
Let's put some in this one
Daddy,
too.
get ready to pump. I wanna pump.
Okay, you can try to pump.
This isn't pump. Daddy, you put your thing. How did you get this in?
Just have to wiggle it just right. Oh,
There you
go.
go.
Got it. Just like that.
Okay, put your foot on
I'll
it.
put my foot on it.
Pump, 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 pump. Okay, Daddy,
That
stay
foot is
where?
awesome.
Oh, you lost your glasses. I'll put them in my pocket. Who's yours? Oh, Joe, you've got it up to 5 psi. That's awesome. Uh-oh, we're gonna run out of water. Here, let me take over for a minute.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Go, go.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh, it barely missed the roof. All right, we can do.
We made a
3
cloud.
more. This one's not gonna be as full, so we'll have to do this one really, really fast.
Man.
And that one we'll have to do really, really fast too. Oh.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
So 3 more. Oh no, did the pin come off? How did the pin come off? Oh no. That makes no sense. It was made out, oh. It just slid around. Okay, I understand how it came off. Well, let's see if this pin works with this one. Because we've lost our pin. We'll have to find, I don't know where it went. Come out here with a magnet and a metal detector.
Okay,
I'll
go,
find it eventually.
go, go.
All right, ready? Yep. Oh, let me get it down first. Okay, now get it in. Okay, you gonna pump this time? Pump fast,
I'm gonna go get the bottle.
and I'll watch the water. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, pull it now! that went pretty good for not very much. This one has even less water. We gotta have someone that'll pump really, really fast. Let's have Aubrey try.
Yeah.
Really, really fast.
Okay, ready?
Let me get this. Well, let me
Get
get
the
this
bottle on there
on.
first.
I got the
Put
bottle.
it in there.
Yeah, go.
Okay, pump fast as you can. Hey, this one seals better. You're right. This one works Whoa! What just happened?
Was it not all the way on when you put the pin in?
I don't think that one's sealed. I think this pin is not compatible.
Awesome.
I'm glad my head wasn't over it.
Oh.
Yes.
My mom said there was a dad that did that once. He was doing it and then
Oh.
he went home. He didn't feel good. Where's our other pin? Alright. Because this one, I don't want it to, well, this one will be heavier. Alright, we'll take a risk and see what happens. This one might be the end of, alright, ready? And go.
Have it.
Now make sure we get it. I get it on. Okay, now put it in. Okay. Do you want to put your foot on it this time? No? Oh, it definitely will. My socks are getting wet.
Hey, Joe, come back away.
Okay.
Away from the bottle, just in case it
This one's our last
goes
one.
early.
Then we'll be out of water. Oh, hi, she got it. She's almost to 40. And it's leaking fast.
That's a 50.
Ready? Set, go! Go again! Go!
Whoa.
Ow!
I don't know.
Hands up.
Ow! I almost could have caught it. Well, there we go. Ours works too. We have to work on that pin staying on the string.
Yeah.
Is this supposed to happen?
You can say bye.
Say bye.
Why does it steam?
Oh yeah. Of course it does.
Oh, cool.
Oh,